curry leaves, curry goat, anchar masala, black pepper, onion, green seasoning. Marinate natin overnight. Naglagay po tayo ng jeera, curry leaves, garlic, onion, pimento, chili, green seasoning, curry powder, jeera powder, garam masala. Kusa pong magtutubig yan. Pag naubos na po yung tubig at matigas pa, lagyan nyo ng tubig hanggang lumambot. Lagyan natin ng shadow baby.